Well, hello and good morning. Today we're going to try to make a omelette souffle. We are going to put inside the omelet our quattro formaggi cheese and some bruschetta sauce. To make this omelet, I'm going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white. I'm going to beat them individually and then fold one into the other when it's finished. Big experiment time. Let's see how it goes. All right, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do today is separate the yolks from the egg white. This is what I've been told is the best way to get all of the egg white without using the shell. When you use the shell, what can end up happening is it's sharp and it can actually break the egg yolk. So then you'll have more of a mixture than you were actually looking for. So you crack the egg open. Pour the yolk into your fingers, separating your fingers out to allow the egg white to pass through. So today's omelet's going to have 3 eggs, the bruschetta, and some quattro formaggi cheese. Once the eggs are separated, I'm going to pause the camera to just wash my hands. So there you have it. You have the egg whites of 3 eggs and 3 yolks. So if all of this goes correctly, I'm going to have the lightest, fluffiest eggs possible. So first thing I'm going to do is beat the yolks and get them nice and mixed together. Nice and creamy. And I think we're good there. Now, I will start to whip the egg whites till I get very frothy and a lot of high points with the air that sticks. As you can see, the eggs will start to combine. And will get thicker and thicker. The more air I put in, the lighter the omelet will become. Not quite there yet. I decided to change the angle. Easier for me, and you'll be able to see how frothy the eggs can actually become. You can hear the sound is changing. That we're getting close. Keep the bowl at an angle just so I can really get to the bottom and add as much air as possible. Almost there. Nope. The idea is to make them stand up like points on their own. And I think we're there. So now, what I'm going to do is put the egg yolks and slowly fold the egg yolk into the whipped egg whites. Eventually everything will be thoroughly coated in a nice light yellow color. This is not an omelet I make often, just because the preparation takes a little longer than most. Okay, and now I'm gonna go heat up my frying pan. Okay, now I'm going to melt down about a tablespoon of butter, this time just to coat the pan. Now, hopefully, if all goes well with this omelet, it's going to act just like an egg, not an egg, like a American pancake, that when the bubbles are coming through, everything's all right to fold it up. And here we go. And you can see how much just 3 eggs is filling the pan. This is going to be a really quick omelet if it works. And hopefully it does. But you can see how light and fluffy this is. I just washed off my spatula. And now I'm going to let it cook a little bit and see how we do. Okay, it's been a minute or two. I'm just going to check on it. And it's very nice and golden brown on the bottom. And I'm going to try to flip it. Unfortunately, yesterday, my good old friend omelet flipper decided after 20 years, enough was enough. Look at how rised this is. This is truly a unique specimen in the egg cooking world. Now, I don't really want to cook the bottom heavily, or the top. Just want to get it a little braised. So hopefully, there we go. Now I'm going to add my omelet ingredients. Some bruschetta and some nice quattro formaggi. And now I'm going to, before my souffle loses all of its egg, fold it over, because we're going to go a little past golden brown otherwise, and take it off the heat. This is cooked on medium heat to really keep it going quickly. And now I'm just trying to keep it off flame to get everything to congeal within the omelet. Okay, the omelet is now fully cooked and ready. And you can see how the cheese has melted inside. You can see how fluffy it still is. It is overcooked. I have to apologize for that. But it's a pretty simple omelet. Just the technique to making it is a little different. Let's give it a taste. This omelet is even more light and more fluffy than the regular ones I cook with butter. Unfortunately, like I said, it's a little overcooked, but it still tastes yummy. Well, this is my breakfast in the morning. I hope you enjoy yours.